Right guys, Billy here from the Wood Junker, and today I've got another bit of a review, and it's something that really every household should have. Something you could put in the car, maybe you need it every now and again, but it's like an essential bit of kit for the home really, and it would make, you know, a great gift idea for someone. Now a couple of months back now I got sent in 2 home DIY kits. I reviewed one which was okay, and this is the second one of them kits. And it's from a company called Sundpey, and it's like, you know, screwdrivers, you know, spanners, all that kind of stuff. So let's get down to the table and let's have a quick look at what the kit is and what's in it. Right, so as you can see, it's a nice sort of moulded case. The clips are really good on it, plastic, but if you're just going to have it for in the house, that kind of thing. This, I'm telling you now, it's not a professional go out on site bit of kit, an electrician's kit. It's something really just to have in the house, just to get you out of trouble if you need to sort of change a plug, put a cabinet door on, all that kind of stuff. Maybe do something in your car along those lines. Great for somebody that's sort of like moving into an house and you want to get them something that comes in really handy. So as you can see, it's quite a comprehensive bit of kit. Let me put something, I ain't got nothing to put behind there. Let me find something to put behind there. Right, so you can see there, it's quite a comprehensive bit of kit. I'll bring my camera down so you can see what's in there. So you've got like tape measure, tape, Allen keys, you've got some tie wraps down there, you've got some spanners, you've got them little sort of screwdrivers for doing little fiddly bits maybe on your remote controls. Got this bit here for the bits, there's sort of like bits everywhere. Screwdrivers, you got some plugs and clips and screws, cable strippers there, little level. And then down here you've got the instructions telling you what everything is. You've got some sockets, long nose pliers, so these sort of like, them sort of, I can't, you know what, I've got brain fog today, just please forgive me, but you know what they are. Adjustable spanner, all the sort of various driver bits, a little hammer here, which is not very heavy, but it'll come in handy. There you go, a ratchet for the sockets, various sockets and bits. So it's quite a comprehensive bit of kit. Now up on screen somewhere, I'll put what this is for sale for on Amazon. This was sent in to me free of charge to show you, but I'm going to make you make your own mind up whether it's good value for money. So that sort of screenshot will come up. I think it's about 49 quid for the set, and that's sent straight from Amazon. It's not a professional kit, as I say, but it's going to get you out of trouble. I mean, this is plastic, but you know, it's a little level if you need one, if you're putting up shelves, that kind of thing. I am going to set a bit of wood up and do a bit of, I'm going to hammer a bit of wood and do a bit of screwdriver in, that kind of thing. So that's a sort of good look round it there, so you can see it's all in, it's got its places in its case here, you know, easy for storage. God, I sound like a salesman. I'm not a salesman at all. I'm going to let you make your own mind up of it. I've already said it's not a professional kit, but it's okay for home DIY use, that kind of thing. But it all looks like it's sort of decent enough. But let's have a proper look. I can't do it while I'm holding camera. Right, so the ratcheting thing, I'll hold out to me, you know, microphone. Hang on. So you can hear it. It feels alright, you know, it's nothing special, but it's okay. Yeah. It's got like the push button to release the ball there. And yeah, it feels sort of solid enough for home use. You know, you're putting a cabinet door on, or you know, you're putting like a table together or something like that. You're not going to go wrong with that. You don't have to go out and spend like loads of money on certain tools, do you really? When something just for home use, and I stress this is just for home and DIY use. Now, if you had a look sort of on the internet and you went and sort of bought these individually, you got to bear in mind what it had cost you. What would it cost you for a tape measure, little pair of wire strips, long nose pliers set. You know, if you add it up, then this comes in a blow moulded case and then sent to you. Does it represent good value for money? I'll let you decide that, because people can get stuff, can't they? I mean, that feels okay. It's got like a little markings there. It's really hard to see, but there is markings there on one side. So just let me shut that up. Let me put that to one side a minute so you can see what's happening. The ammo, like I said, it's sort of a lightweight ammo, really, but it's going to have a sort of nailing, that kind of stuff, if you want to just get something into position, that, you know, them kind of scenarios. But again, home DIY use. I don't know what the heads of these are going to be like, but I am going to screw something in a minute. The long nose pliers, alright. I've had worse, believe me when I say that. They've got like a greasy sort of film over them, so just let me put them over them, because I don't want to finger. But yeah, they seem okay for, you know, for what they are, sort of thing. Put them back in there. The little spanners, they go from 8mm up to 13mm, so you've got a bit of a range there. You've got 5 of them in there. The tape measure, it is what it is. It'll get you out of trouble. You can lock it off. You know, it's a 3 metre tape measure, that as well. Roller tape there, insulation tape, little Allen keys. You've got these, you know, for doing like little tiny screws, remote controls, all that kind of thing. That's a bit stiff on the top, but you know, I'm sure it'll loosen up with use. Little packets of plugs and screws and clips and all that kind of thing in there. So yeah, it seems like it's sort of an adequate set for indoor use. You know, it is what it is, really, isn't it? So that's what it is. It seems to be all alright. The instructions are there, all these bits. I'm just going to get a piece of wood out and do some screwing. I want to see what the heads of them bits are like. Well, let's see what screwdriver's like. So, screw. That feels alright. It's not slippery or anything in there, but you only get like one of these style and a flathead, and the rest are all on bits, so you've sort of like got this, which I'm going to check out in a minute, with one of the bits on the same sort of screw. I actually feel quite nice in the hand, to be honest with you. A bit hard to get the torque down on it. I mean, I know it's the first time I've used it, but sort of very sort of little sort of weird. Are they magnetic? So they're magnetic as well. That's that one. Well, let's get that one back out. And then what I'll do, just leave that sort of there like that. It's already in. So I'm going to use this one, and I'll just get a bit here out. Let's check the magnet in there. That's quite a strong magnet, that, to be honest. So let's try that. That's better. That feels a lot better than that other one I've just used. So to get you out of trouble in the house, they're perfect. Now what you've got to sort of work out, and if you bought, like I said before, if you sort of bought it all individual and waited for it all to come, what would it cost you? Would it cost you more? Would it cost you less? If I was just wanting a comprehensive set, I'd just probably buy the set, to be honest with you. because if you're going to start to buy cheap hammers and cheap this and cheap that, you're just getting cheap tools anyway. But that seems to do the job okay. And the magnet in that was quite impressive, if I'm perfectly honest with you. Just put that away. So let's get a nail. I'm just using a clout nail. So yeah, does the job. I mean, I think that's a bit light, but as you can see there, it's just done the job. So let's get my verdict on this set. Right guys, just before I come to my verdict on this set, I just want to say a massive thanks to everybody that's bought some of the merch, the hats and the t-shirts and that. What I will start doing is I'll start putting names up as a bit of a thank you on one of the next videos. And don't forget, I've got a live coming out Thursday night. So if this video goes out Wednesday night, which I think it is, it's tomorrow if you're watching. I'm very unorganised, trust me. So you'll just have to bear with me. And another thing, if you would subscribe to the channel, it makes a massive, massive difference. Please do subscribe and hit the notifications so you don't miss anything. I'm struggling a bit at the minute with my back, as you all know, to do the build videos because I've got like a pinch on my spine at the bottom of my back. So I am struggling. So to do something, I'm going to do some lives. I'm going to do some tour reviews on this channel, that kind of thing, and put some stuff into the memberships. So make sure you hit subscribe and the notifications. And please go and support all your favourite YouTube small creators. It makes a massive difference to them. Right, so what do I think of this? Well, firstly, it comes in this case, so it's really, really easy to store. Number two, you can get that off Amazon. The company sent me a link that you can go and have a look at it on Amazon. I think it's about £49. Whether you think that's good value for money, everybody's got a difference of opinion, haven't they, really? For me, looking at that, I first thought it's a cheap set, which it is. It's a cheap DIY set. It's nothing special. Believe me when I say this, it's nothing special. But for home DIY use, it's a good set for home DIY use. I've been into the places like IKEA, and they sell like little cheap DIY sets, and B&Q and all that, and they're just the same as that, really. You know, quality-wise. So I think, I don't know what the cost comparisons, because I've not really sort of looked into it. I'm sure if you went out and bought everything individual, it'd come to there and thereabouts the same price. But at least with this, you've got the case, so you can store it and give it as a gift. You can put it in the boot of your car, all that kind of thing. So there's all that to consider. Would I rate it just for home DIY use? If it was to go out on site, if you're a tradesman, anything like that, you want better tools than that. I'll be perfectly honest with you, and you know that anyway. I'm not going to kid anybody, but as a nice home DIY set, you want to change your plug, you want to do something to a cabinet, make a stand up or anything like that, something you can't needs tinkering with, maybe that's okay. But it's by far not professional, but it's DIY. So you make your own mind up. Let me know in the comments what you think of that and these sort of like cheap DIY sets. I'm seeing a lot of them, and the prices seem to be sort of all over the place. I mean, I've seen some a lot more expensive than this. I've seen some slightly cheaper, but with less sort of stuff that you get in this. And this Sundpey, they seem to be, you know, ideal with them on the internet. I want to say thanks for sending it, because I just said to him, look, you send me the kits, I'm going to say what I think. And they just said, no, you just do what you want, say what you want, how you want it. So they backed up the mouth, if that makes sense, by sending me that, because they know I'm just going to say the truth. So fair play to him, to be honest with you. It's not the best, but it's not trying to be the best. It's trying to be an home DIY set. So in that respect, I would rate it for the price just about. I could probably get the same, you know, if not for a little bit less money if I bought everything individual. But if you went and got it from sort of Amazon, that kind of thing, you've got it sent to your door, you've got it in the case, it's easy storage. So that for me is like a deciding factor, really. So yeah, it's okay in that respect. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the live. I need people coming on the live. I don't want to be sort of doing that live talking to a screen all on my own. You know the score. See you on the next one.